Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maria Riggins, and on Sundays I put out a Sunday business video taking you along my side hustle journey. I'm a part-time seller on Poshmark and recently took it more serious since we've been stuck home. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some new inventory that I received from a local posher that I actually met on Facebook Marketplace. She gave me a bunch of items for a great deal. Since we can't go out and thrift and source during these times, as resellers, you have to be creative. So going on Facebook Marketplace is a good way to source because people are giving away things for a good price. And check your local area. There may be groups out there where people are just giving you bags of free clothes because they're decluttering and cleaning out their house. So that's pure profit in your pocket. So the items that you see pictures of are actually in my Posh closet now. So if you're interested in anything, I will leave the link or my closet name below so you could go check it out for further detail. I'm not sure how far I'll get with listing the rest of these items before this video comes out, but if something grabs your attention, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. I just wanted to add that listing can be a bit time consuming sometimes, especially if you are going on like this listing marathon and just listing a whole bag of things. That's why it's probably easier to set a goal for yourself and, say, okay, so today I'm going to list maybe 7 items, but luckily this lady who sold me the bundle also gave me the pictures that she had, which cut down my time tremendously. So that was a big help. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the quick version of how I list things. Sorry if you hear the kids in the background. So yeah, luckily, like I said, she sent me a lot of the pictures for these items, but I am going to just give you an example of how I upload pictures. But I use my cell phone, so I'm just going to pretend and show you. So before I list any item in my Posh closet, I thoroughly check it for flaws. I make sure there's no issues, and if there is a problem, I will note it in the description box so the buyer knows. The last thing you want to do is take pictures and hide flaws and send the item to the buyer, and then they open up a case because it's not as described. So make sure you list all flaws in your description and be very honest about the item. So after checking the item, I will start listing. So anytime you see snap, that means that's how I would probably take the picture. Again, she gave me a whole bunch of pictures to use, but I did take some just to add, and I just wanted to show you guys as an example also. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here and finish listing these items. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you at my next one. Bye.